Day 7 of building the 13.5 by 6 metre log cabin in Market Raisin. Today is significantly warmer, but before we do get started, you already know what comes first. So tea first, and then we'll get building. So our plan for the day, Connor's going to get all of his floor joists in, finished, ready for the sparkle specialist to get all of his cables in. After that, we've got to move all of these steel sheets to the side so we can access everything in this pallet, which is our architraves, and then we're going to get our architraves put on our doors, on our windows, and there's still a couple of windows to put in, so progress. We were doing ever so well until I realised that all of the architraves I need for today's work, today's job, all the way down there. It's what the doctor ordered. I've packed them away. I don't really want to have to move them twice, so I think what we're going to do is we're going to leave them for now, leave the architraves for now. They can be done at a later stage. And I'm going to head back on the roof and continue the rafters for the rest of the day, and then Connor should be done in there, which means we'll just be waiting on a sparkle specialist. Carry on. That's one side completely finished. Now, if there's ever been time for a tea break, it's now. Now that it's decided to chuck it down, I'm getting down for 5. Connor has finished all of the OSB, well 90% of it, still probably half an hour's work left to do tomorrow, which means we are going to be waiting on the Sparky to get his cables in. I say Sparky, the Sparky is Josh. Josh has got to get his cables in there, get that all wrapped up, and then we can insulate and we can get our floorboards in, which concludes part 7. Now, this was supposed to be part 1 to 8, but I do not think part 8 will be the end. I think we've got part 9, part 10, possibly part 11, which is going to involve us working right over the weekend just to get this over the line, ready for us to go to Tewkesbury on Monday. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you like watching content about building log cabins, subscribe, turn your notifications on, set your preferences to all, and then every time I post a new video, which I'm going to do a lot more regularly now, you'll be notified first and you'll be one of the first persons to see it. So I will see you guys in part 8.